Well, everyone, it's Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. In this video, I'm just going to take you through the portfolio features of Malefic for WordPress. So, like many of our themes, this one includes a fully featured portfolio area. You can see examples of here. It's very simple to set up and create, and we'll just go through the process of adding one here so you can get an idea of how it all works. So to begin with, we'll head into the dashboard, and within here, go to the portfolio area. And because we've imported the demo data, you can see we've got all the projects and everything here. We'll just open a few up. You can see how they are made here. It looks very similar to a regular WordPress post, just with a few extra options. We'll go through those now so you can get an idea of how it all works. So within the portfolio area, we'll go to Add New to create a new project. I'm going to call this Dan's project. And I'm just going to put a bit of blurb in the middle. After all, what is a portfolio without some blurb? Okay, over at the right here, like a regular post, you've got options to apply a category. So we can either use one of the ones provided or add our own, which I'll do right now. Okay. And importantly, you can add a featured image, which is the image that's used to represent the project throughout the entire site. I'll just use this slide image here, I think. Yeah, I'll use that one. Okay, now to the meat of things. You can see here you've got the featured content type and a drop-down box. This basically lets you choose between the various styles that you've seen in the demo here. So you've got the slider, video, etc. tiles. Whichever of those styles you want to mimic or replicate, you can just pick here. So for now, I'm going to choose some image tiles because I think that looks really nice. Here you can choose where you want the content to be orientated. I quite like it nice and high, so I'll choose the top. And now you can start adding images to appear in those tiles. So I will see what I've got on my hard drive. These will do. Okay, great, they're all uploaded. So they're all added here. We can reorder them by simply dragging them if we wish. If we were creating a video style of portfolio, here you can pop it in your video URL. Obviously the same things apply there, so you select the video and choose where you want to have it positioned, etc. Before we go any further with the additional items here, I'm just going to publish this and we'll take a look at what we've got. Okay, lovely. So we can see we've got our blurb, the usual kind of sharing options, things there, and we've got all our images in a nice tile here. Just to contrast, if we were to change this to, say, the slider, I'm sure you can work out what's going to happen here, but just to be clear, you can see there, that's sleek slider. Beautiful. Okay, so here you can see you've got additional areas to add whatever kind of additional description you want. So I'm just going to put in some random title stuff there, and I'm just going to stick in some random text here. And what you can do is add more of these as well. So I'll just put in Euro 2, a bit more random blurb, and if we publish this, you can see how it appears here. So for each of these additional areas you add, you get a nice title as you add it and the content below. You can keep going and add as many of these as you want. It's totally up to you. And finally, you've got additional content if you want to display below the post meta stuff. Well, I'll show you now if we pop in some content there. Okay, yeah, and we can see some extra text just below everything there as well. So there we go, that's the portfolio feature within Malefic for WordPress. I hope this has been useful. Any questions, do come and see me over at support. Thanks for watching.